All right, so today I am going to show you how to make the most incredible delicious. It is feta sausage kale salad. And it's really easy, it's very filling. So I already have my kale washed. Now what I will do is I will actually soak my kale in the sink. I put in white vinegar, I'll leave it for about 10 minutes, wash it really thoroughly, make sure it's dried, because if it's really wet, then when you massage the leaves with the dressing, it's not going to stick very well and it will start to wilt your lettuce very quickly. This will actually stay good for days. I'm going to put this in the bowl, and I already have it drained and ready to go. Now, I will add in an entire container of feta cheese. So I buy organic feta and just a 16-ounce container of that, and I'm going to add all of that in. And then I'm going to massage all of this with the dressing and get everything coated. So for the dressing, what I do is I use apple cider vinegar, I'll use pure fresh lemon, I use salt, pepper, and Dijon mustard. And this Dijon mustard has no sweeteners, no sugar, no anything. I'll do about 1/4 of a cup of Dijon mustard, and always shake your apple cider vinegar. I'll do about 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Do about 2 teaspoons of the fresh lemon. And like I said, I'm going to do about 1/4 of a cup of Dijon mustard. And that is your dressing. Now I will whisk this together really well, then pour it over your salad. And what you want to do is actually massage the whole salad. And get in here and actually massage all the leaves. Now you can always leave the cheese out and it's still pretty amazing, but you want to get the dressing around. And kale is so wonderful because it has all these little pores and nooks and crannies, and it's just really delicious. And then that also gives you a chance to kind of break up any of these big chunks of feta. And so you want to make sure that that is really liberally portioned. I also add in raw pepitas. So raw pepitas are a type of a pumpkin seed, and this is a cup of raw pepitas, and I am going to put the whole thing on there. And you're going to stir that up. And so you can see there's a lot of seeds. This makes it really high in protein, and pepitas are a super food. Now, I like Bilinski's, and these are their Cajun style chicken sausage. These have no sugar, they have no additives in them. They're all organic ingredients. Everything in here is organic. And so what I'm going to do is chop up 5 of these. And I've got my pan going here. So I'm putting all of this in this cast iron skillet and add in some avocado oil. You want to make sure you're never adding olive oil. I see a lot of recipes that will often say olive oil, and we think olive oil is very healthy, and olive oil is very healthy, but it's not a cooking oil, it's a cold oil. So it's an oil you want to add to salad. You don't want to add to anything that you're cooking. So if you're cooking with olive oil, you're damaging the olive oil itself and turning it into hydrogenated or dangerous oil in your body. So I'm going to cut all of these up and put these in my pan. And if you like smaller chunks, you can cook these in squares. Now this is actually a fabulous salad for people that aren't even big salad people. This is one of my boyfriend's favorites, and he's not a super green lover. So I'm going to start to cook these until they're lightly brown. So I do it on a low temperature. I do it on a medium, which our stove goes up to 15. And so I cook it on 8. And I like to cook things in cast iron. When you're using self-stick, a lot of the Teflon, a lot of the coatings on that pan can actually get into your food. And so cast iron has been used for centuries. It's really safe. Now, one of the benefits of putting the cheese and the pepitas and everything on the salad first is that what you'll start to notice when the sausage is cooked, it warms and melts everything. And so it's going to give the salad a completely different taste. And we will put this in the refrigerator and it's good for about 4 days. It's pretty amazing. It's very easy. And I will show you the finished product as soon as we're done. All right, so now my sausage is done and you can see it looks amazing. And so what I'm gonna do is put this in the salad. I'm gonna start to mix this up. And you can even see how the feta becomes a little bit more smooth, a little less chunky. It's almost more like a dressing. This is a high protein, really good antioxidant food, 0 sugar, all natural ingredients, organic, and roughly, other than the amount of time that it takes you to wash the lettuce, it doesn't take that long. And so it's not something that takes a lot of my time, and it's really flavorful. We leave it in the refrigerator and it's wonderful because we can make something quick and we make sure we're getting our greens and our protein and the pepitas and the cheese, and it adds so much flavor. And the vinegar even helps lower your blood sugar. This is very keto friendly. This is just one of my favorite dishes. So I hope you enjoy this. I'll put all the recipe ingredients below. If you have any questions, please just message me and I will see you again in the next video. All right, bye-bye.